Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by creating a cloud project and enabling the Google Calendar API. This gives you the endpoint to work with. Next, generate OAuth 2. 0 credentials or a service account because those determine how your app authenticates. Once done, install the official client library for your language and declare the calendar scopes you need. Make sure to save client ID and client secret securely and to add redirect URIs for OAuth. This gets you immediately into the authorization flow and ready to request tokens. You now implement the authentication flow. For user apps, perform the OAuth consent flow to get an access and refresh token. For server-to-server, exchange a service account JWT. Once you have tokens, store them securely and implement automatic refresh to avoid interruptions. Then construct calendar API calls, provide calendar ID, use RFC 3339 timestamps, and set time zone explicitly. Also batch reads or writes where possible to reduce quota usage. Finally, test event insert, update, and list to validate permissions and behavior. You finish by deploying with secure key rotation, correct redirect URIs, and environment-specific credentials. Monitor API quota, error rates, and latency in the Cloud Console. Set alerts for quota or 403 errors. Enable push notifications or watch channels for real-time calendar changes, and ensure you renew watches before they expire. Finally, implement retries with exponential backoff and robust token refresh. Troubleshooting tip. If you get 401 or insufficient scope, revoke cached tokens, rerun the consent flow, and confirm the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.